Hello. Hello everybody, my name is Thomas and welcome to Thomas's Shoestring. In the previous video, we did fractions. No, we didn't do fractions, we did ratios advanced. So in this one, we'll be doing fractions intermediate. So without further ado, let's proceed into the exercises. So the first exercise, a bunny had two toy wolves and one had a broken tail. Just so you know, they're toy like wooden wolves. And it's not good that they're broken. No. As a result, the broken tail wolf is now only 3/4 of the other wolf. If both wolves put together measure 140 centimeters, how long is each wolf? Have a go. And by the way, you can convert to decimals. It's not recommended, but if you have to, you can. Okay, hopefully you have had a go. So firstly, I'm gonna be converting to decimals here. So 1 3/4 means 1.75. So you divide 140 by 1.75. So it's like saying, how many 1.75s go into 140? So if you think about it, 1.75 times 2 is going to be 3.5. Times that by 2, you're going to get 7. So 4. So 7 into 140 goes 20 times. So it's 4 times 20, which is 80, or if you know your French, it's 80, which means 4 20s. So 3/4 of 80 is 60. So 80 plus 60 is 140. I'm just going to say broken tail is going to be 60 centimeters. And that should be regular length, not regular height. Exercise 2. In Simon's school, they had dungeons. I think you can already see where this is going. But you got it wrong. With metal bars 3/8 of a meter overlapping. So that means in a meter, so you have a meter, yeah? That probably isn't a meter. But you have eighths. So every 3/8, there's going to be 3/8 up. So it keeps on going up. It keeps on going up, keeps on going up. And they're 3/8 of a meter apart. And it keeps on going across and across and across. And they're 3/8 of a meter apart. So figure out what 3/8 of a meter is. The evil headmaster, because you've always got to have an evil headmaster, decided to make the connection of the bars 1/2 of what it already was. So instead of 3/8, that much-ish, he decided to make it that much. So 3/16. The area is in squares, so it is in squares. How much area is there between the bars? So have a go at home, or wherever you are. So 3/8 is 0.375 up, and then half of it, half of it is going to be 0.1875. So it's going to be 0.1875 times 0.1875. And that's literally going to be about that much. It's about 18, nearly 19 centimeters. So I don't know, about that much-ish. I'm not really sure. So your answer would have been, how did I get 0.81 if I got... Okay, I think it's meant to be 0.1875 meters squared. That's probably incorrect. Yeah, so let's see. So it's going to be 0.1875 times 0.1875. So it's 0.1875 squared meters squared, if you get what I mean by that. So actually, let's just get calculator out here. Calculator. What was the sum again? 0.1875 and then squared. So that meter squared. So that incredibly small number here. That's squared. So that's like 3.5 centimeters. That is tiny. You can barely breathe through that. Yeah, so this is wrong. Just forget about this part. So exercise 3. Sylvia has ice skates. One of them is 8/9 of the other. And that's just cheap skating them. That was a pun intended. Thankfully, Sylvia's feet has one smaller than the other. You'll notice that with most people, one foot is smaller than the other. If her foot, that is 8/9, is 24 centimeters, how long is her other foot? Okay, so if 8/9 is 24, that means 1/9 is going to be 3, because you divide both of them by 8. So then 9/9 is going to be 27, so your answer is going to be 27 centimeters, but still that's 3 centimeters off. Miss Slycarp has 2 glasses. She bought them in a deal where it was buy one, get the other 1/4 off, so 3/4 of the full price. If she bought the discounted one for £60, how much did both of the glasses cost together? If 3/4 is 60, then 1/4 must be 20, 4/4 is 80, 60 add 80 is 140, so it costs her £140, which I'm not sure, it might be cheap for 2 pairs of glasses, it might be medium price, it might be costing a lot. Pawson, or Mr. Pawson, you can call him whatever you like. If you're actually called Pawson, please don't take offence. This is from a book that I've read, and he was the old steward, I'm not sure, for a big mansion which had 3 windows. Each window got smaller in height by 1/4. So you take away 1/4 every time. And if the tallest window was 16 centimeters tall, that much, what is the total height of all the windows? So you have 16, then you take away 1/4, then you take away 1/4 of that. So 16 times 0.75 is 12, 12.0.75 is 9, 16 add 12 add 9 is 37, 37 times 2 is 74. I'm not sure whether or not they're going to ask you whether or not it's just going to be 37 or 74, I'm not sure. Just ask like your tutor or someone, or even ask your maths teacher in school. Yeah, so that's all I've prepared for this video. If you liked it, you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below if it really helped you out. Comment down below what the references were. It's not as obscure, and it's a book, it comes from a book that you should read. It's an 11+ standard book that you should read, definitely. If you didn't like this video, or you found it unuseful or unhelpful because it was a bit easy for you, don't leave a dislike, just comment down below what it was that you didn't find useful. Hopefully I can change it, because I've already got a video prepared coming out in about another 20 minutes. So, consider subscribing if you haven't already. So until the next one, have a nice day, and I'll make the video the next one, and I'll see you very, very soon.